Let's go ahead and create a vector variable. So click on create new variable. And for this vector variable, we're going to call it cam location. So for example, if we want to specify the camera's location inside of the world, so change the variable type to vector, and let's hold Control and drag it out. Click on compile to see the default values, and you can see here the vector contains 3 numbers. So here, if I minimize this a bit and go over here, if you click on the mesh inside of the world, you can see that the vector contains this information, and the vector is typically used for locations. So for example, we can modify the location of the ground, which are the three numbers. So for example, if we're at 100, 100, 100, this could be the new location for the ground, so that we can modify through code. If I click on compile and save, and you can also drag it out here and print it out. And you can see if I click play, it prints out the X, Y, and Z axis, which we set to 100 for all of 3 of them. So just to show you quickly, for example, if we click on the ground mesh and then we right click inside of our level blueprint, we can create a reference to the floor, which is here. And you can drag it out and you can search for the location, or you can actually just write location. And you can see here, these are the different nodes that you can edit. And we want to set the actor location. And if I disconnect this print string and I connect this set actor location, and if I connect this new location, so now instead of cam location, we can call it floor location. This would be more appropriate. And we can connect it to the new location. So now when we start the game, we are going to set this floor location to this new location. So instead of being 0, 0, 20, it is going to be 100, 100, and 100. So if we compile, we have to remember to set it to movable so we can change it in the game, and click on play. And you can see here that, or actually maybe it's better to put a delay, because now you can't really see that it changed the location. So if I just drag out here and write delay, this will delay the code for an amount of time, for example 3 seconds, and then it will play this set actor location. Okay, so if we click play, you can see here after 3 seconds, actually let me minimize this so we can see something. Click on play, and after 3 seconds, it's going to change the location as you see here. Okay, so this is what we can use vectors for.